Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, with the Microsoft Windows K2 project, we are getting changes to Windows 11, and some are good, welcome changes. Some are not yet here, some already arrived, and some will continue to evolve over time. So it is interesting as Microsoft seems to really want to fix Windows 11 and make that an operating system that people will actually finally love or enjoy using. But there's one thing that they are not answering, and there was actually a blog post that started on Microsoft's own blog space. A user just simply asked, it would really be nice if at the out of box experience, what we call, which is the install process when you start installing a fresh copy of Windows, that the choice of continuing to use Windows and installing Windows without a Microsoft account would be nice. And it, of course, started a deluge of comments of, well, you can use Rufus, you can use this or that command line, and he came back and he said, I don't care about all of those things. I'm asking a simple question that Microsoft should give us the choice to simply go with a local account. That's it. And that is a problem also with the big disconnect of all the geeks that just don't understand that, 90% of people have no idea what Rufus is and what it does and how to use it, and they don't install Windows anyways most of the time. And the thing is, remove the geek hat off of your head and put yourself in what regular folks are all about. And they are forced into a Microsoft account. So one user said, well, people have no idea that there's bypass. It's people are not technicians. They're not professional computer people, or enthusiasts. Most are just users. And one came back with another example saying, well, a great example is that one of his family members had a problem, and that family member had created a Microsoft account in order to have the Windows 11 work, but forgot about all of it. And so came a point where a firmware update broke the crypting system. The BitLocker key information was not there, so it asked for the key. And what happened is that person barely remembers what the hell is the account, and it's in the account where the key exists to unlock her computer. And he said it was a terrible, difficult thing. And that also exposed another problem about the fact that now, by default, when you do a clean install of Windows, do your Microsoft account, you have a BitLocker encryption automatically on every PC, which is another problem because people have no idea that their PC is encrypted with BitLocker, so they have no idea what to do if something happens. So as close as Microsoft is to try to help everybody, that thread kind of came to the conclusion they're also very far in understanding regular people with their PCs every day and give us the choice to simply not have a Microsoft account, just, use a local account. So we'll see what happens with that thread, but there's a lot of discussion going on, and it's still a pretty heated debate as to giving the choice. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.